Hi everyone, Sandy here with a fun and quick birthday card project for Country Craft Creations using Authentique's companion paper collection. I made this little card using 3 envelopes and the scraps and papers I had left over from my designer kit from Country Craft Creations. So let's get started. I used 3 envelopes to create my Trifold birthday card. These are 4x6 that I created with the envelope punch board. You could use purchased envelopes and you could do any size that you desire for your project. To assemble, apply glue to the inside of the flap as shown in this photo. With it opened up, put the glue on the entire flap and then stack the second envelope on that one, apply glue to the next flap and stack the third envelope onto that one. Then glue the last flap down. Next, choose your pattern papers that you want for your card. I'm using scraps from my designer kit of the Companions paper collection. So I chose this paw print with the black hearts to create a pocket on the left side, glued the ends and across the bottom. This is where you can tuck in a gift card or any of the cut-aparts that come with the collection. Here I have patterned the far right side. This is the inside of the card. I put a solid piece of paper down. There's no pocket on this section. Go ahead and pattern the inside center section. I use the gold colored coordinating cardstock from Authentique that coordinates with the Companions collection and added a craft photo mat and a sticker. Fold your envelopes up and for closure wrap a ribbon or button twine string around the entire piece on the front and the back and secure with score tape. Tie into a bow on the right side. So this is the front of your card. Select the pattern papers you want to use for the front and the back of the card and glue down over the button string or your ribbon. I chose this plaid for the front side of my card. And you can use whatever patterns you like or scraps that you might have left. So this covers the full size of the front of the card. On the back outside of the card, I added another flat pocket out of some of the pattern paper, and I used the plaid to match the front, and I also did a thumb notch on the top edge of the pocket. This is a flat pocket, so just put glue on the 2 sides and across the bottom. Open it back up to the inside, and I decided to go ahead and notch these pockets. Now you'll notice the pocket on the right. This is where the envelope opens there, so you can create a pocket with that, but adding a strip of pattern paper underneath where the envelope opens and put a little notch in there. So you see it again here in this picture. Here's the center in the gold color. There's the little notch, which is the natural opening of the envelope, and I added a strip of pattern paper underneath where that notch is. Decorate the front of your card the way you like it. I matted some of the paw print heart paper onto black cardstock. I then matted one of the stickers with the little girl and the dog and the cat. I punched out some flowers out of the pattern papers and added a few little silk flowers, a bit of lace. The happy birthday sentiment is made out of ribbon, which I also matted to black cardstock. I created 2 little banners to stick out on the right side. Then I created the bow out of the ribbons and some of the black button twine and added a button at the top. The matted sticker of the little girl and the dog and the cat I left open at the top to create a little pocket and stuck a little tag in the top of that. On the inside, here's the left side of the inside. This is where I made the flat pocket with the thumb notch, and I've added a cut apart, and you could add in a gift card there. And then on the inside, the piece that is the fold in part, I matted it with the heart paw print paper, added craft mats and red mats, and added the arrow stickers and some journaling lines. On the center inside, I've added another craft mat and the paw print banner sticker down at the bottom. I created a tag out of one of the cut aparts to also tuck into the pocket on the left, and tied the top of the tag with some of the red button string. On the inside, with it opened up completely, on the far right, on that section, I added another craft photo mat with a sticker at the top that's not attached at the bottom. So this little black cat is just attached to the top edge of the page. And this concludes my quick tutorial on how to make a trifold birthday card. Some people may call this a envelope flip book or card, and it's real easy to make, so I hope you'll give it a try. Remember to shop for your supplies at countrycraftcreations.com, where you will find the Artisan Quick Glue, which is the best glue to use for your projects, and this companion paper collection. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye, and have a great day. Happy crafting.